Look at the snow coming down. I'll get it by the light. You can kind of see it. See it really coming down this morning. The roads are crappy. Crappy. But aren't those trees beautiful? They're just beautiful. I mean, look at that tree. Like it's even sticking on the fence. This is just nasty weather. Check that out. I didn't even clean up the rest of my van. Look at all that snow in the van I gotta deal with. But I mean, look at these trees. Oh, I think they're just gorgeous, but this is what the roads look like. They're nasty. And the freeway system, Lord, I just told my grandson he best get up and get a move on it. He's gonna have to allow himself at least an extra 20 minutes. Yeah. Another snowstorm in Wisconsin. Ooh, yay. Fun. It's a little bit of light snow, but it's also packy snow. So, but yeah, look at it just come down. Isn't that something? And this stuff is not supposed to, I think we're gonna get, there's gonna be a lull in it, and then it's gonna continue again, I don't know, sometime tonight into Saturday. From Friday, we're supposed to get some kind of lake enhanced snow too. That's even worse. So, oh well, it's Wisconsin for you. What do you do? Sorry. We look at pretty trees. Pretty trees. Beautiful trees. All right, y'all have a good day.